Okay, we're gonna tape it right of the edge. The way it should be, the thumb of the rule would be when you tape it, you try to push it down as far as you can to avoid that, you know, dark brights on the bottoms. Okay, looks good. Alright. This, you want to reuse this plastic or not, it's really up to you. It's, I mean, you know, it's all, the purpose for this is just make sure I put it back and holds the backlight lamp, but this one was broken. But anyway, if you want to use it, you can try to use it. Okay. The second thing I want to show you is that since this is no metal, the plastic in the back, if your display is using, you will try to achieve a sunlight readable, a brightness level, you might want an aluminum stick on the back. It's like this, you know, just help it to spray the heat much faster. So this one I'm going to add one of aluminum here. So let me cut it. Just for the heat sink purpose. So make sure the heat would be sprayed much faster and last much longer. Of course, you don't need to add this if you want to. See? So I'm not going to use this. So what I do is, all this kit comes from this tip. You can just simply use this tip to tip it over. Alright? And then and maybe add one more piece. You can buy the extra too. So oh. Just tip on the bottom. See it? Slowly pull it back. Cover it. Alright. Next thing is that on both sides, this side, you might want to add small piece to it because to cover the lights, to prevent the lights bleeding out. Oh, there's a lot of small stuff that. Okay, all right. So what I do is this end, I'm going to use the small pieces, cover it like this. Do the same thing on this end too. Alright, so I'll do this end. Don't worry about the screw hole, you can just poke a hole after you cover it. The goal is I try to cover the light. Good. So it's almost done. Of course, we can just make sure the plastic stay there. We can reuse the tip. I just peel it off. Here, you know, just make sure this plastic stays here. And this one, kind of like just press down a little bit. Make sure it stays the same place, and add a piece of tip to secure it. Okay. Just add it. No, we just add it. Here. Okay. Alright, as you can see, well, it's quite easier to replace, to upgrade the LED light. And it's done. All we need to do, we just want to test one more time and make sure it's light up. That's it. Alright, so as you can see, it's quite simple to upgrade to LED light. But if you try to reuse this CCFL, that would be a big problem, because as you saw it, the plastic was melt on either on the plastic film and on this end. But this end can be replaced anyway. And also this part of the reflection sheet was burned out too. So I mean, if you have this screen, the best way would be upgrade to LED. You can also use this dip switch to adjust the brightness level too. If you set a 3 would be max and the highest brightness level, and usually when you purchase this kit, we will set it on 2, which is then default in the middle, and 1 would be lowest. It depends on your application. If you're using TPOS on outside, you can set the dip switch on the 3 or highest one. This one can definitely set the highest one, because we already add aluminum stick on the back for the heatsink. So that's it. Thanks for watching.